Hey, what's up YouTube? In this next video, as you can see behind me, it's going to be my black TL Type S. You can see my front bumper is off, and I'm actually planning to do a full ASPEC lip kit on it. I always had the front ASPEC lip when I bought it back in 2012, but I never had the side skirts or the rear lip, and since now it's discontinued or hard to find, I've been sourcing and now I was able to find one. Side skirts and rear lip, so I got everything paint matched because they're all different colors, as well as my front bumper repainted as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and install it in this video and do a little short clip for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. So here's the front bumper with the ASPEC lip already installed. I always had that, but my front bumper was paint chipped and it was old OEM paint on it. I never had any protection on it, so I've been driving it for a long time. It had a lot of rock paint chips and all that. The painter I had was a local painter that he did it out of his house, but I believe works at the dealership, so he did a really good job. So far I am pretty happy with the turnout. Here's the rear ASPEC lip. Just showing you a little before and after off the car and on the car. Right here will be all the ASPEC lip, side skirts, and also the trunk spoiler. I did paint the trunk spoiler as well, so everything's all paint matched, and I'm going to be going ahead and installing it soon. Here's the car on the lift, and you can see my front headlights are very foggy. So I sanded and buffed them like probably 2-3 times in the past couple of years, and they always ended up hazed out again. So I actually bought replacements. In this video I will replace the headlights as well with the full front bumper, side skirts, rear lip, and the trunk spoiler. So stay tuned. Alright, I am starting to remove the stock Type S side skirts. As you can see, I have the wheels removed because you do have to come from the side and remove these fender liners. That is bolted onto the side skirt, so it's easier for you just to remove the wheel and hit those screws. There's a few screws, actually the plastic tabs that go underneath the side skirts as well. And the side skirt is 2-piece, so as you can see right here in the middle, it splits off, so you can, once you have all the little plastic clips on the bottom removed, you can just slide this forward, and then you slide this backwards, and then it just pops off into 2 pieces. So pretty straightforward, simple to remove and install. I'm not going to go into too much deep detail, but in the process of removing it and installing the ASPEC lip side skirts, so stay tuned. Alright, I have the old Type S side skirt off. This is the ASPEC one down here. As you can see, there's a bunch of white clips, or white. You see all these empty holes all along the side of the Type S. So that is the white clips that you guys see when you guys pull off the stock ones. If you look on the Type S, you saw that I removed it off the car and put it on the ASPEC lip side skirt. It's actually easier if you put those on there and then you just put it in as one piece. So that's what a little tip, if anybody's doing side skirts, is once you pull them off, you try to align the side skirts onto it while it's on the car. It's a pain in the ass. So basically what I did is I removed the white clips and put it on the side skirts and install it as a one whole piece here. Alright, so these are the boxes for the brand new headlights for the Acura TL. I just got these in probably a week or two ago, and these are brand new and they are mint. They look very, very nice compared to the ones I have now. I'm glad I just went with OEM instead of buying any aftermarket off of eBay that I was planning on doing, but I decided to just bite the bullet, pay a little bit more for the OEM ones, and have them installed in the TL. So stay tuned, I'll go ahead and install it here shortly. Alright, so just doing a little update here. I got the first headlight removed. As you can see, here's all my 10mm that holds the headlight. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a few screws. So you can see here you have some paint paint match 10 millimeters. Those you don't want to take off. You want to take off the silver ones. So you got one up here, two on top, one on the bottom here. I believe there is one on the side here, and then there's another one I believe on the top. But you're gonna have to remove this plastic piece. The plastic piece here that holds in with 2 screws. Remove that, and then you should be able to take out the whole headlight assembly with the mount bracket on the bottom here. Now that also comes with the HID down in the box, the HID box. Once you pull it off, you just disconnect all the wiring harness and then separate the headlight from the mounting gear and mount the new headlight onto the mount and put it back in reverse order. So very simple steps, not that hard to do, but a couple key 10 millimeter bolts that you need to know, or it's gonna be a pain to pull them out. All right, just finished installing the front bumper. As well as you can see, the headlights are on. Freshly painted front lip and bumper. This car is going to be getting a full detail, buff wax, sealed, as well as ceramic coated. So it's a little dirty right now, but I'm going to take it to my detailing guy, and he's going to go ahead and do a full ceramic coat on this car too. So once that's done, I will probably take a few photos and some video clips, and I'll throw a little video together. But this is how she looks right now.